Hello, Showtimers! Today I'm unboxing Lamborghini Miura. Open, please. There we go. That was probably the wrong way. It has black squares on the front. It has an engine cover. It has 5 spoke wheels. And it has kind of like it's a spoiler. The color is orange, black, gray. It's inside the window. White. It has tail lights. I'm finished. Goodbye, Showtimer.